How to use the PL70E printer on Windows. Please make sure to connect the power supply and use a USB cable to connect the printer to the computer before downloading the driver. Browse the U-Disk or turn to www.anelcoprint.com, go to Driver and User Manual to download the driver. Select the corresponding driver program based on your computer system. If you are a Windows user, please select this. Usually choose the USB option. Windows 7 or later computers can install Bluetooth. You can name your printer. Click on Print Test Page to test if the printing is working properly. Or you can download this file to test if the printing is working properly. Select the PL70E printer, set page size as 4 by 6 inch. Attention, please make sure to select Fit to Paper. Click to print.